If you do not know how to finance manage and you spend whatever that you have thinking that, I don't have to care about all these things. Hello guys, it's Forever Looney here, and today I am gonna speak to you guys in regards to being rich itself. Alright, so a lot of people, they feel like, hey, I need to be rich in order to be happy and stuff like that. So today I just want to share with you guys what are the worries that rich people usually have. Okay, a lot of people, they say that they are very envy of those that are rich, they are envy of those people out there, I mean, when you become rich and you have a certain kind of assets, right? You will want to defend that asset. It's just like today I own something, like my house. I will want to protect my house by getting myself insurance, by getting myself a lot of other different things. So when I attain a new level of wealth, where my parents, my siblings, nobody have done it before. So when I attain this kind of wealth, I am finding ways to actually defend this wealth, investing into business, getting myself into business, investing into further movement in my life, buying insurance, buying investment plans, diversifying my portfolio of investment, looking at real estate, finding out for more new healthcare things that is out there, for all the technologies to increase, to improve. We are investing into business and we are going in further. Right, so a lot of people, they have been feeling like, hey, being rich will be something that is cool, being rich will be something that's fun. I can live my life without, being afraid that I'm gonna be poor. But however, what I want to say is actually in historical terms, in whatever that you have find, you can actually go and Google a lot of celebrity, a lot of all-star player, they become broke after a few years, after they retire from the sports that they are doing, because they do not know how to finance manage, right? If you do not know how to finance manage and you spend whatever that you have thinking that, I don't have to care about all these things, have a very expensive meal every single day, buy whatever that you do not need, buy everything to make yourself look better, buy everything that make yourself look like, you are rich and stuff like that. These will actually come out with a very low emptiness in your life. This is something that kills your confidence itself, because you need other material to make you proud, to make you strong, to make you confident, to make you feel like you are on top of the world. But a lot of people that do not go and cherish this wealth, they lose this wealth quickly. You gain them fast, you lose them fast. Because this is why, because we want to show off everything that we have. We want to buy expensive watch. That was me last time. Alright, I wanted to buy a very luxurious car, I want to buy a car, I want to buy a watch, I want to buy an expensive watch. The first watch I got was around a few $1,000s, right? It was crazy. Okay, I don't know why I spent so much, and the watch is now actually sitting somewhere in my room that I don't wear out, because it's so expensive that I do not want to wear out. Right? I design my own computers. I come up with many different things. I go into investment plans. I go into investing into business, investing into other products that I'm able to actually utilize myself with. So a lot of different ways that after we get this amount of money, we actually structure ourselves in a certain sense to defend the wealth that we have. If you feel like being rich is something that you want, trust me, you're gonna defend this wealth that you have. It's just like you yourself getting yourself a girlfriend, and then you tell yourself that, hey, I don't have to protect it because I already have it, and she's gonna be here forever. You're gonna protect her, right? When you go out, you're gonna care for her. When you go out to watch movie, you're gonna buy something for her. You're gonna make sure that you see her and stuff like that. You're gonna text her whether she reached home in the late night or something like that, right? So a lot of people, they feel like, because we don't get it, we set it as a goal, which is why a lot of people, when they reach a certain level of their life, they decided to give up in life because they can't feel the sense of fulfillment in their life. They tried so much things, they get everything, right? I tried to be rich and I became rich, but however, I don't have the sense of fulfillment. That's why a lot of people, they ended up in not reaching their goal, and then they gave up, or they reach their goal at the same time finding emptiness within themselves. They can no longer laugh, they can no longer feel the same way that they used to feel when they were younger. A lot of things happens, alright? You have to find your own path. You have to find whatever action, whatever that you are doing right now, what makes you feel like it's important in your life. What is the goal that you want? What is the value that you tell yourself, hey, today, this is something that I want the most. And I feel like as long as I'm with this thing, I am able to find happiness. People can be like, you know, having the daily life with their friends, being able to watch soccer together as a team, playing soccer at every Thursday night after work, coming home to play games together with other people. You know, they find fulfillment in this kind of thing. Is family is one thing that for you, you can also, you know, find ways to do it. Bringing them overseas every year, coming back home to eat dinner with, watch TV, stuff like that. There are way too much things out there. You have to find it out yourself. We have already advanced in the era that, you know, give us the allowance to be able to find out what we love. A lot of people are working towards their dream. People are working towards what they are, what they like, and what they have. You know, they find happiness when they are doing. A lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of successful people, you know, they are doing what they want. They are doing what they like. Therefore, they are being successful at there. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.